Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to day 18 of my coding journey. I was about to get the day wrong again, but so yeah, this is day 18, and I plan on doing some Code Academy here. It's 9:30 in the morning, and so yeah, what's a better way to start off the morning with just going over what you learned the day before? Like I said, it's very helpful in my opinion, and yeah, so let's get started. I believe it's like JSX and JavaScript modules and stuff like that. So, and React, of course. So that's what we're on. So let me switch over. I don't know how long this is gonna take. This is I'm going in blind. Oh, so I do have my notes. Let me switch to the large screen for this, so you guys can see. So I do have like my notes full of notes and stuff. That's Bootstrap right there. It's like a notebook full of stuff. That's my pet site that I was making, little wireframe. It didn't turn out like this. But yeah, and some JavaScript stuff, and there's a bunch of stuff. This just keeps going. So I do have some notes about JSX that I'm gonna be looking in. It's about JSX and React and stuff like that I took. So if you see me looking down, it's most likely me looking at my notes, and I'm also going to use, Google as well if I can't figure something out. So let's get started with this project. I wonder who just called me. It's like from a weird number. You ever got a call from like a weird number, but like you kind of recognize it, but you don't want to answer it because it's probably somebody that you don't want to talk to? And I think that's what just happened. Alright, so animal fun facts. In this project, we'll build a program that allows users to click an animal on the screen in order to have a fun fact pop up. That's interesting. Our program will display selection of animals. Clicking the animal will cause effect to randomly selected from a. Alright, cool. If you get stuck doing this project or would like to see an experienced developer work through it, click unstuck. I'm good. We're gonna battle this out. We got this. We don't gotta click that. Alright. On line 1 in app.js, you should see an important statement. This is important. The animals objects from animal.js. So that's that. Feel free to take a look at it now, but we'll be coming back to it later tasks. So this is animal.js. So it's objects. Got an image and they got the facts there. For now, let's import React and React DOM library starting from line 2. Okay, so I learned this from JavaScript modules. So we're importing React. So import React from is it from React? From, I believe it's just from React, right? And then import React DOM, and this would be from, I believe it's React dash DOM. I think that's it. If not, we can always just look it up or make sure we got it right, maybe. But yeah, see, look, React DOM. Okay, perfect. I think that's correct. Yeah, I think that's correct. All right, add a title constant. Hopefully my coffee isn't hitting my mic. Add a title constant that will hold the value of the title. For now, set it to an empty string. So const title equals empty string. In addition, create an animals facts constant. Animal facts to hold the JSX expression that will want to compile, that we want to be compiled. Set its value to an H1 element that contains our title. So okay, so it'll be cons animal facts, and then H1, and then title. H1, that, I think it's that. We still shouldn't see anything in the browser yet. We'll have to wait until we write our React DOM render method before it shows. So should we write it now? Make sure. I don't think we have to write it now. Hold on, let me make sure. We still shouldn't see anything in the browser yet. We'll have to wait until we write our React DOM render. So, all right. We could fill the empty string assigned to title if we wanted, but we could also leave it blank and let JSX use the default value instead. Use the ternary, I always get that word wrong, operator. Let the H1 heading use click animal. It's empty string. Okay. All right, so I have to look this up. I actually wrote this down. So there's a way to write. That's basically an if statement. There's a way to write that with JSX, and I have that written down somewhere. But I might look it up on Google. Yeah, there's a way to write that. All right. So ternary operator. Ternary is a ternary operator. JSX. All right. So yeah, something like this. The question mark. So yeah, something like this, and then it's like the little wait. So then you type this, and then this is like the else version of that. All right, so yeah, I think I get it. I also got it written down, so I can make sure. Okay, we could fill the empty string assigned to title if we wanted, but we could also leave it blank and let the JSX use a default value instead. Use the ternary operator. Let the H1 heading use the click. Okay. So do we write it in here in the animal facts? Or do we? I think we write it in the animal facts, right? Okay, so use the ternary operator. Let H1 heading use click in animal for us to copy this as the default title if the title is an empty string. So let's see if we can do this. All right, so a ternary operator with JSX, you write the like the if statement, and then you do a question mark, and then after the question mark you type, you know, what you want it to do if that happens. Then you do is that like a semicolon, and then you type in the rest. So here we can do this. So all right, let's see if we can do this. So title, I think we do title, And then, so if it equals the empty string, if it equals that, we'll do that. And if it equals that, that's when that happens. Well, why is that? Why is this blue? Why is that blue? Okay, that works. So if it's that, so if it equals an empty string, it's gonna give it a default title of click an animal for a fun fact. So shouldn't it be title equals that? Or no? And then if it's not that, then we'll just add title, right? I think that's right. Not too sure. Alright, I think this is right. So if it's empty string. Okay. Yeah, I think I got it right. So, okay. So yeah, if it's an empty string, then this is what's gonna be inside this H1, right? Because we have it inside the H1. So we don't, because at first I was thinking we do this, like we have to give this a value. So we have to, well, I thought click an animal for a fun fact, we have to, like it was going to be a value. So we have to do something like this. Title equals to that, right? But we shouldn't have to do that because it's already inside this H1. Because, so if it's an empty string, then all of this disappear and it's just going to be click an animal for a fun fact. And if it's not, it's just going to be title, and this is what we type in. Perfect. I think that's right. Let's look at the hint to make sure. Alright, so the following line code will evaluate to John Doe. So yes, yep, that's how I got it. So name, 3 equal signs, empty string, John Doe, and then this, space that out, and title. Perfect. It's like it's so pleasing to get stuff right when it comes to coding, man. Like to get like something right, it's just pleasing, man. It's cool. Well, I think that's right, but all right. So it's time to write our React router React DOM render method. Let's pass in animal facts. So we're gonna pass in animal facts and let's pass in, click on index.html to find out what we should pass to the ID. Okay, so ID should be root. Right? Yep, definitely should be root. So we'll do, because I'm lazy, and then we'll do roots. I don't know why I tried to save like I was in. Alright, so perfect. Alright, so let's test this out. Let's add a title of me. And it should be me. That's so cool. That's cool, man. I love coding. When we finish, click save. All goes well, we should see text. Click an animal for fun fact. Perfect. Alright, add a background. Somewhere above where animal facts is defined, create a constant name background. So above it, so let's add some space. Let's do class background equals, because I'm lazy. Alright, now let's give it some attributes. Okay. Give it a class background. Let's use ocean for the alt. Alright. So I'm a little confused here. Should we... Because I think they said when we whenever we work with JSX and if it's more than one line, we have to add parentheses. Parentheses, right? But I don't know if it works for just... So I do got it written down. It says, I got it written down, parentheses, if expression takes up more than one line. Right? So that's going to take up more than one line, but yeah, I think we do. I think we have to do it. That's why these notes come in handy. Notes be coming in handy. Alright, so let's do that. Format it pretty nice. Alright, so image, inside this image, so we're going to give it a class. Oh, nope, we got to do class name, right? Yep, so class name when it comes to JSX. Class name equals background, and then alt equals ocean. Do we write commas or do we write? I don't think we have to. And finally, use image as the value of the SRC. So SRC equals alright. Alright. I keep saving like I'm in VS Code. Alright, I think that's right. Let's hope. Always check the hints when I'm done to make sure. Alright. Yep, so we added the parentheses. When adding attributes to an element, they go inside of the opening tag and they aren't written in camel case. Okay, so yeah, I think I did it right. Alright. Let's reformat the JSX expression stored in animal effects to include the background variable. Wrap the current. Let me move this mic away. You guys probably can hear me breathing all loud. Alright. So wrap the current H1 element and our new background variable inside a div. Okay. Wait, what? Okay. Let's reformat the JSX expression stored in animal facts, but to include the background variable. Okay, then I get it. Okay, so wrap the current h1 element and our new background variable inside of a div tag, title div tag, since the expression is going to be multiple lines, wrap it in parentheses. Okay, so we'll do that first. See down there. Let's go ahead and add our div. Indent this. Probably doing this way too, like, what am I doing? I am like screwing up right now. Come on. Right, so H1, and then, cause like I'm so used to it auto formatting on VS Code. So this formatting stuff is just like, yeah. Alright, since the expression is going to be multiple lines, wrap it in parentheses. If everything is working as it should, we should see our background image showing up underneath the title. So I think to just put that in here, we'll add this. And let's see if that works. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Alright, so yeah, we got our background image. Alright, perfect. Okay, number 7. As soon as I read this shit, for in loop. I do not know how to. I used it before. I normally use this for loops, so I already know I'm gonna have to look this up. Use a for in loop to iterate over the animals object. So the animals objects, which is this, right? That we're importing on line 1. Before the animals definition, define an image array. What? For each animal, add a new image to that array. Okay. So do I do it inside here? Like, maybe I do it outside of animal facts. Okay, use a for in loop to iterate over the animals that were important on line 1 before the animal facts definition. Define an image array. Wait. Okay. Okay. Something about for in loops in the book. I think it's in my other book actually. Alright, so use a for in loop. So I think I just do it outside of it, right? I mean, obviously. So for loops, for in loop. Okay. Yeah, I remember this. So it should be for const animal in animals. I got it written down. For loops. So I got for loops, do while loops. Alright, so should be like for animals, and this is where we should write our code right there. I don't know if this is in the right spot though. That's the thing. Alright. And that's what they got. So they put for cons property and objects. So yeah, that should be right. Animal and animal. Animals. So this can be anything we want. So I could say for cons Antonio and animals. So because we're giving this name right here with the const. Alright, so before animals, define an image array. For each animal, add a new image to that array. What? Before the animal's facts definition, define an images array. What are they talking about, bro? Like, I don't get this. All right. So for each animal that's in animals, all right, they want us, for each animal, add a new image. Cons and for cons animal and animals. Is there like a way, like in JSX, to use like for loops? Is there something that I'm missing? I don't. Define an images array. So am I supposed to do something with this? Okay, before the animal facts, right? The animal facts. Define an image array. Define an images array. So do for animal of animal. So when we do that, cons animal of animal. So we got all of the animals in there, right? So can I do animals dot images equals See if this works. Give it a shot. Alright. So we got all of the... So we're looping through the whole object. So can I do... Since this is a whole entire object, so animals, so I can add an object, I can add something in there, right? So for every one, I'm going to add, let's see if this works. Let's do, I don't know if this is going to work. Animals dot images equals an empty array, right? I don't know if that's gonna work. And then, so for everyone, each animal add a new image to that array. Wait, what? Before the animal facts. Oh no, we're fucking up. Oh no, we're fucking up. I don't think it's that. Before the animal facts definition, define an images array. So, dude, it's probably something so simple, bro. I swear. I gotta look at this. Define an images array. So I think we'll just do like const images. Const images equals an empty array. Then we'll do images dot push. In this we'll do so every image we're gonna add a new image, so we'll do image new image. We'll add all of this crap to it. I'm probably doing this wrong, but it's worth a shot. Alright, it's worth a shot. A little bit better. Alright, it looks better. Alright, it's worth a shot. Alright. See, I just fucked up. Where is it? Maybe we have to go to... What did I just do? Maybe I gotta... Okay, maybe it says, so let's go here. Now that we have our images, let's inject it into the JSX expression. With the animal effects, JSX underneath background, create a div, give it a class name. Wait, within the animal effects, JSX underneath background. Give it create a div, so we got to create another div. Give our class name. Equals to animals. Alright. This the images inside of this element. Alright, man, I'm praying this works. So images. Come on, baby. No. They're doing something wrong. Whoa. This doesn't have an SRC. Wait, it does have an SRC. What? Okay. Something I'm doing wrong. So I think I did this part right. So let's go ahead and knock that out now. Images. Okay. So let me make sure I'm recording. That would be some crazy shit. I did all this and I'm not recording. That happened before. Like not with this, but like it was. I think I was doing my my navigation bar, and I was like halfway through it, and I ended up fucking checking I wasn't recording, so I had to delete everything and redo it. But I'm not gonna lie, it actually saved time doing that because I ended up figuring shit out how to do it. Alright, anyway. Use a for in loop to iterate over the animals. So this is right. Const animal and animals. Object. This is the part I don't get. Before the animals facts definition. Define an images array. Before the I know Googling this is stupid, but sometimes you'll find like the most random shit. Okay, this is a task. I need to create a div. Okay, const animals. This is exactly what I have. Okay. Oh. So this is what's happening to me. So he's getting a blank page. Dude, this is why I love Google. Okay. A case based on your symptoms process expected the whole page is blank because you're getting a reference area about animal. So let's start the rest of the code running. You could double check. Blah. Yep, all of what you mentioned are fixed and probably forgot to update it. Okay, so const animal images. Okay, so update. The for in loop must go after const animal fact. That's what I already got. Okay, so I think this has to go here. Let's see if that works. Nope. So this is exactly what I have here. So I don't get why mine isn't working. I don't get why mine's not working. Like, So for cons animal and animals. Images. I don't get it. Like, it's exactly what I have. Yep, all of which you mentioned I fixed prior to and forgot to update. Thank you, and I have a title and a background showing as before, however, still no animal pictures. The for in loop must go after the const animal fact. That's what I already did. I am on step 11, but I can't get a background showing. Const animal facts. Const title. Const animal facts. I don't know what this guy's doing. What the hell is that? But then again, there's different ways to. See, it seems like this guy got it working. And this is exactly what I have. Like, exactly. I'm gonna copy this and see if anything changes. Nothing. So it's something that I'm doing wrong. Alright guys, so after about 30 minutes of debugging, still haven't figured it out, but I learned that a lot of people is having this issue. I looked on Reddit, Stack Overflow, YouTube, and stuff like that, and a lot of people's having this issue, and a lot of them are saying to move forward, and that they should appear. So I think my code is right from looking at like all the examples and comparing the code to other people's code. It was yeah, so it looks like my code is right. It's just apparently they're saying that some of this stuff is out of date, which is kind of bad, but I mean, but maybe I am missing something. If you guys made it this far in the video, let me know if I'm overlooking anything, but I looked everywhere and this code looks flawless to me. I mean, I try my best to figure out what's wrong, but I'm gonna move forward and hopefully they appear, like the images and stuff. So we'll see. Let's go ahead. What step are we on? So we're on 9. Make sure we marked off all of those. All right, so now that we have our display animals displaying on the screen, which we don't, I don't know why, we're ready to add an event listener, but first let's write a function to handle this event. So create a function display facts. We want this function, so okay, so do it over the top of here. So function display facts cons. Should we do an arrow function? Display fact equals e. think that's right. Alright, we want this function to pick a random fun fact based on a selected animal. Inside the function, use e.target.alt to get the name of the animal being clicked. So the animal being clicked, let's do animal clicked equals e dot target dot alt. Generate a random index that uses it to access an element in the animal dot facts array. Okay, so we gotta use the math dot random, I believe. Sure, I know how to do that. I know it's math dot random, no, math dot floor, math dot random, and then we'll times it by the animal facts array, I believe. I just want to make sure. Okay, so we'll do so animal clicked. We're gonna do so generate a random index that uses, so we have to store this into a variable. So we'll do const where are we at? Math dot random, no, math dot floor dot random. What the fuck? We'll times this by so do we times it by the n? Get this part. Generate a random index to help select an element from an array. You can use the following expression. Math.floor so we'll do math.floor times animal facts. What? I think that's right. What I did. Oh, there go our images. Let's go. I know, dude. Google is like your best friend, bro. You'll figure out that a lot. If you got a problem, you'll figure out that about there's 100 other people with the same issue. And I found out that it's a lot of people under the YouTube video that I was watching. a lot of people was getting mad at like these instructions. It was like horrible instructions, and they was getting a little mad about it. So I didn't feel too bad. I'm like, I'm not the only one with this issue, so that was good. So I say yeah, we got our images, which is cool. All right. So math dot random animal facts dot length. But I think we have to store like. Okay, we need like there has to be, cause like why is this here? You get what I'm saying? So I have to. It has to be something else. Um, see if there's anything on looping through arrays in here. I got a notebook full of crap. Alright, so that's fun fact. So let's just try this out. I think this is wrong, but alright, so we need to display our fact, create an empty p element in animals facts. So we are divs do a p element. And give it the ID equal to facts. Okay, so we got that one. I'm keeping this one unchecked because I don't think that's right. So we need to include the event listener with each image and edit the event listener so that it displays the fact in our p element. In the for in loop inside the image, add it on click. Equals on click and then display fact. Okay. Inside display fact, use document the ID to grab the p elements and change the inner HTML. Inside here, we'll grab. We'll do change the inner HTML of the p element to our randomly selected. Now to save the code, click animal. We should see. So we'll do. I'm trying to think. Document dot get element ID equals facts to grab it. So do we just put it in the cons? Cons facts equals that, and then we'll do facts dot inner HTML equals I think this is totally wrong. That can't be real. Yes, it's not working. I think I got that wrong. The inner HTML. I don't think is fuck. That inner HTML. I think it's parentheses, not equals. Yeah, it's not working. I feel as though it's supposed to be something else, man. Let's go back to what did I type in to get to that page before? I typed in this. I want to go back to that page because that guy, he had some issues too with it. What? Okay, so this is the Code Academy forum. I didn't even know that. Okay, so here we go. All right. So facts. I don't want to copy his code. Just want to see what the hell he did. So const display facts, const facts equals animals e target dot facts. So random facts index. What? His is working good, so let's see what he got. Okay, so yeah, this is something similar. Well, his is different too. Random times 3. So I got this part right. So I grabbed the facts and I put it into a story into a variable facts. Then I did facts.inner HTML. Then equals fun fact. But I don't think we have to do this yet. Facts, maybe that's why. Let's see if that works. Nope. Okay. So I'm missing one line of code because like I said, this right here, this animal name is just sitting here. So like, let's see what he has. So I think I'm just missing this line right here. This fun fact. So animals, animal name, dot fact. Let's copy this. And I just want to paste it and see if I can see what the issue is. Okay, so I got fun facts as that. Fun facts. Let's see if that works. So just me copy and pasting that code. Nope. So fun fact. See, I don't think I'm grabbing animal.facts. Yeah, I'm grabbing it. So animal.facts and then a length of that. Right? So I mean you could do it either way. He put times 3. Like what? It's weird, right? Fun fact, animals. Animal name. Oh, okay. So that's what we did wrong, I think. Down here. So I put animal clicked instead of animal name. So that's what the confusing part was about. Like, cause I see why those comments are. They said that these instructions are like horrible because think about it. They told me to write this line, right? And it's just sitting here. They didn't tell me to write. They just told me write this line and then do a, let's go down to it. So right here. So they told me write the function and then put a parameter E, and then for number 2 they told me do the target, the eTarget.alt. And number 3 they told me get a random index, what I did, and then they told me save the fun fact in a variable, which, oh, okay, I didn't do. Alright, so yeah, so fun fact dot animal click dot random index, which should be, so let's change this to random index. I think that'll be better name for it. Still not working. Animal clicked dot select. Animal name e.target.alt. Then he got a random index. Maybe my random index is wrong. Maybe it's supposed to be ×3, but the other guy had a different one as well. And we all know when it comes to coding, you can do whatever you want. So I think that's right because it's pulling a random. Yeah, that should be right. Random index, and it's pulling it out of the animal facts.length. So that should be right. And then fun fact, animals, and then animal clicked dot facts, and then it's the random index. So that should be right. Facts dot managed. Maybe I should change the name of this. Let's see what he got. Fact elements. Let's do that. Let's just do fact. Oh, maybe it's something that's messing with my code. It's still not working. Okay, fact L document dot get element dot ID fact. Am I supposed? Nope. Fun facts. Oh, wait. Equals fun fact. No. Still nothing. This fun fact. Let's try this random index. See if that works. It should. That shouldn't matter. That would be so mad if it does. Yeah, that shouldn't matter. I'm going back to what I had. Random. Times animal. Fat. Facts. Only thing I could think of is my on click is wrong. On click display fact. Maybe I'm thinking. Oh. Oh no, I had it right. On click display fact. That's what I had. Don't know why my code isn't working. Exactly what I had. Yeah, my display fact is this whole thing is messed up. So animal clicked e target const random index math.floor math.random animals facts and a length of that. And then const facts l document dot. This should be right, man. This should be right. Unless I'm like misspelling something. Let's just make sure. So animal clicked equals e dot target. Const random index math.floor math.random times animals facts.length. Fun fact equals animals click animal clicked dot facts and then the random index, and then we're grabbing the element document dot get element by ID fact. It's down here. Oh, I think I know why. I think I know why. No. I thought I had it for a second. Was it outside the div? Alright guys, so currently I got some stuff wrong. So I had it as an arrow function, right? And I think that's what happened. So I changed this. I went with guy that I found on Codecademy, but I want to see if it works now with what I had, because I changed it from an arrow function to this. I don't know if that matters. Maybe I just had my arrow function wrong. So let's do animals dot facts. Animals dot facts dot is it animals dot facts. I hate when that happens. dot length. Right? Yeah. So let's see if that still works. Okay, so yeah, that was wrong. But I don't see. I don't get why that should be wrong. But I got it to work. But you gotta times it by 3. But I think there's another way we can do this, and I want to just make sure before I move forward, because that's the last step. There is extra credit, but this video has been long enough, so we're not gonna do that. But there's another way we can do this. So because it gotta be another way actually. So let's do cons. Let's just name it anything. Let's name it new animal. We're gonna equal that to let's do animal, and then we're gonna put that animal name index in there like that, right? Then let's change this to new animal. Animal dot length. That still shouldn't work though, because right here we can take this off and do new animal dot facts. Let's see if that works. No, it doesn't. Huh. Wonder why. New animal. Oh, animals name right there. I think, right? Yep, it works. So yeah, we can do it that way. Alright, so yeah, so I'm not a complete dumbass. Alright, so yeah, I think it's because now let's see if this arrow function works. Unless I have my arrow functions wrong. So cons display facts. I'll display facts equals E and arrow. Isn't that how you do arrow function? So yeah, it's not working. Isn't that how you do arrow function? Let's see. I know you guys are like, you don't know how to do arrow functions, dude. I learned so much stuff. It's like, you know, sometimes you gotta go back and look. But I think that is how you do it, right? Yeah, it should be, right? Images. And of course, they don't have anything in here. Oh, wait. Oh, I don't think we have to put this in. Oh, man. Oh, it still don't work. Yeah. See, whenever I do my arrow functions, I normally don't have no parameters, so it's like that. But yeah, apparently that doesn't work either, so it's whatever. Function display facts and this arrow or E, and that should be it. So yeah, there's 2 ways to do it, or there's multiple ways. There's probably 100 ways to do it, but yeah, I actually get it. And yeah, so that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, man. That was a long video right there. I gotta edit this. It's multiple videos. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. That is day 18, right? Day 18 of my coding journey. There might be another video later. I do have to do some of my new camp assignments that I might do. not on camera, but and I also might go back to some more React on Codecademy. Let me show you guys my schedule right quick of what I got. So I'm starting to plan a week in advance because like I used to plan daily, like I do something and then plan, but now I'm planning like the whole entire week, just so I won't feel like too overwhelmed. So today is the 3rd, so we got my Codecademy React, which I technically did. I'm doing it, and YouTube video recording now, and my new camp assignments, and tomorrow about the same schedule. And on the 5th, I'm gonna start the Udemy, that Maximilian React course. I'm gonna do that for 2 days. It's almost a 50-hour course, so it's gonna take a while to complete. And Saturday, I got my 4-hour lecture, and then after each lecture, they always give us a workshop assignment that I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna finish some Codecademy React that day. And then on Sunday, continue the React course on Udemy, and also YouTube videos for all of these days as well. I don't know why it's not on there, but let's go ahead and copy them here. So yeah, YouTube videos for all these days, you know. But yeah, that's really it, guys. Day 18, peace out.